Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to do a super quick unboxing video of this sink that I just got. This is the MR Direct 2020 sink. So you can see it comes in a very nondescript box. So let's just go ahead and rip it open. It's got these, I hate these things, these big old giant staples in the top. I'll just rip all these out and we'll take a look at the sink that's inside. So this sink here, I got it for, I think the normal base model is about $100, or no, maybe $94, I think, for the 16 gauge or for the 18 gauge thickness. I actually upgraded it. Either it comes in two options. You can actually get it in a thicker stainless steel. So that is the 16 gauge, and that's a $10 upgrade, which is what I ended up doing, because what I'm going to use this for is I'm going to try to put this in a camper van setup. So I'm going to try to build a kitchen pod. That's another video, and this is why I wanted to get this stainless steel undermount sink, because I want to be able to put it inside my van. So if you're interested in that, I'll hopefully have that video up soon. All right, there we go. It's open. So let's open this guy up and see what comes out. Okay, so it's just cardboard, no need for him. There's a lot of cardboard in here. Well, that's good because this is a good sink. And actually, let's see, there's this little piece here. Hidden in this cardboard are some accessories. So I think these are the undermounting clips. So let's leave those, we're gonna need them. And I will try to get rid of, there's a ton of cardboard. All right. Well, this is good. They package it nicely. That's definitely good. And then finally, let's see if we can get the sink out of here. There it is. Okay, here's the sink. And oh, looky here, good. And they give you a template here. So this is a good template. That'll be helpful for actually mounting it. Let's see if there's anything else inside. No. So they did a great job packaging it so it wouldn't get dinged up in transit. So let's take the sink out of the plastic, see what's inside. Ooh, it's a beautiful looking sink. And it's heavier than I would have expected. But again, like I said, I got the upgraded 16 gauge instead of the thinner 18 gauge. And you can see it's got this nice spray on the outside, so it's obviously stainless steel on the inside, but then on the outer, you know, the side that you're not going to see, that's going to be underneath the countertop, they've sprayed it and added this coating, I believe, that is going to make it so it doesn't make as much noise when the water hits it. It's got a big old made in China stamp. I don't know if you can see that easily here. So all right, so much we'll see, but I've been getting a lot of my stuff from China. We'll take a look at the dimensions later, but I just want to take a look at what comes in the package. So again, you get the sink, and again, maybe I'll point out, there's no drain here. You're gonna have to get the drain and the insert separately, I suppose, but that's probably no problem. Okay, so let's just set the sink aside. Let's open up this box. So this box has clips or something like that inside. I think these are the undermounting clips. Let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like you get some hardware. Again, I believe this is for the undermounting. Yeah, that's a lot of clips. So let's see how many of these things are there. I'm not 100% sure how these go on because I don't have any instructions, but I'm sure this is something we can figure out later after the fact. It actually looks like they actually come in multiple sizes. Yeah, so there's 4 of these shorter ones. And then it looks like 2, 4, 6, 8 of these longer ones. And you get a bunch of bolts as well, and then some of these nuts. They're kind of these plastic nuts here. Okay, so that's what comes in this box. And then here we go. I guess you get a template. Oh, here, and it gives you the, here are the instructions. Shows the countertop, the fastener, the screw, and the lip of the sink, the undermount of the sink. So there we go. So this is what comes in the box. So let me see if I can make it so you can see all of this. Sorry, I didn't realize these are probably not on the camera. Let me move these things back so you can see the clips. So again, the clips, pretty standard, small little clips. So here's the long one, here's the short one, and maybe I'll just show you the close-up of the instruction of how the clips are supposed to attach on. So that's kind of nice that they show you the instructions here on top of the template. So we better save this template because we're going to use this in a second. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go get some dimensions of this so we can understand how this is going to drop in and fit. All right, so I went ahead and measured it, and this is pretty much a square setup. Of course, it's got rounded edges, but it's pretty much 20 inches across and 20 inches this direction, which aligns with what was published on the website. Now, the other thing that's a little bit interesting is the website then says that this is about a 1-inch lip here, which is accurate. However, the dimension that I'm probably imagine you're more interested in is how wide is this sink from the side to side. So by the time you take into account the thickness and the spray and all this, really this lip, the way it sticks out from here to here, it's about 0.925 inches-ish, something like that. So really, to be conservative, I think it's about 18¼ inches from this edge to this edge, and similarly in the other direction. So it's about, 18¼ inches. So you're gonna need to cut out something about, 18¼ inches. So that's one of the reasons I got this sink here, is because I only have enough space to mount it in a 21-inch wide cabinet. So this should hopefully work and take up a good bit of the space. The other dimension that's also interesting is the depth of it. So again, from the top of the sink to the very bottom of the drain here, it's about 9.75 inches, okay? The other stat that might be interested in is the weight. So I weighted, it's about 12.1 pounds, something like on that order. So again, just to reiterate, this sink, I like it so far, but I'm gonna have to see how it drops into my little kitchen pod that I wanna make in my van. Again, it's about $94 to start with the 18 gauge one. Then I paid $10 for a upgrade to a thicker gauge metal. Then it was about $15 shipping and $11 tax. So it overall was about $130 for me. So I hope that's helpful. So if you like this, please stick around, because the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to install this into a kitchen pod. But today I just wanted to show you the unboxing and see what you get with the sink and give some of the critical dimensions in case you're also interested in this. All right, I hope to catch you at a future video. Bye.